Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make tourism poster in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing Instagram post square format as my canvas here. So before starting, I would request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from DLC Ventures India. So let's start with it. So I'll be going to elements and I will use the recently used section to show you the images and the photos which I will be using. The 4 photos which I will be using here, these 4. The frame which I will be using is this one, and for the typography I will use this one and another one. So this is pre-made in Canva, but another one I will make using the text effect. Okay, so let's start with it. So first let me bring the main frame here. Okay, so we have brought it here and I will change the color to white. Okay, and let me show you the keywords for finding this, because it is as I said previously, I am relating to Vietnam. So first one is Hanoi, Vietnam, as you can see in here, and it is used for free in Canva Pro. As you can see, most of the images which I will be using are in Pro section. 2 images are here in free section. This one, as you can see in here, it is the dance of Vietnam, and the third one is mountains and rivers in Vietnam, and the fourth one is aerial view of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Okay, so the images, these 4 I will be using, and you can find it in elements section, in photo section you can find. Okay, so first one is done. Then I will duplicate it, make it bigger, and just place it here. I will make this one slightly bigger and I will just overlap it. This one I will bring to front, and for this one I will make it slightly smaller. Okay, and I will place it just below the first one. Okay, and I will just duplicate the next one and I will place it just above it, and this one I will bring it just in the outer layer. Okay, and after that I will keep on send to backward. Now I will add the images. For the first one, there is the main one, I will use this image. For the second one, I will use this image. And for the third one, I will use this dance image. Let's restructure it. Okay, so this is the images which are done. Now I will just edit it, going adjust, and I will just increase the brightness here. Okay, and I will use the highlight section, and this one is highlighted because it was a sunset view, that's why the light was very much less. The other 2 are having good light. Okay, so now I will come here and I will change the color from white to sky blue. Okay, and after that I will use the night view of this image and set image as background. I will just adjust it. Okay, and after that I will use this text effect. Here I will write Vietnam, and in Here I will write mesmerizing. Okay, and I will change the color of this one to sky blue. Let's make it more prominent here. Let's try green here because I think that will be more of a prominent color. And for the above one I will just use white. Okay, and for the effects I will use this lift only, but the intensity will be 100 for both the things. And I will just tilt it a bit to -5 degrees and place it right here so that it becomes a popped out with this lift effect. Okay, and after that I will just add this special offer here and again tilt it to -5 degrees. Okay, and I will add a call to action button. And for this I will use this one and change the color from this to white and from white to this green color. Okay, and I will just place it here, and after that I will use a simple shape, tilt it to -5 degrees. So the tilting is done. Now I will just bring it here and just place it just below. Use the keyboard to adjust and change the color to the same as green one and use this. Let's ungroup it and use the above layer and place it here. Okay, so the design is almost ready. Just move the cells so that you can make it more clear. Okay, so that none of them is overlapping. So the design is ready, and as you can see it looks great. And I think the border here will look better if I use the same green color which I used in Vietnam here. So the green and white layer is coming here. So the design is ready and you can use it for your design purposes. If you want, you can add the effect here of outline and change it to black color, or you can just try lift to 100 and you can also make it to black color if you want, if it makes it more pop out. Okay, so this one is ready. So I hope you like this tutorial, and this is a really easy one.